Today then, the much anticipated maiden flight of the ZMR 835. Will it fly or will it fail? This is the big question. If you didn't see it, watch my video on how I put the kit together. Let's see how we get on. So Steve's going to maiden the ZMR. We put an additional 50 grams weight on the front. Let's see how it goes.
Take a little bit of weight off the nose.
What, maybe 10?
Half.
Half of 10 or half of the weight?
Half the weight.
As much as that?
See, that was full left rudder and it didn't go. Look.
Amazing.
Yeah, take half off.
Okay.
So I've taken half off to start off with. Without a wheel, it is a bit. And off throttle hands off, it's wanting to go right and fast. Yeah, it's still too much. I'm holding it there. Yeah.
Perhaps you just leave that weight off then.
Take the weight off. Try again. Nice pirouette.
Yes.
Take it all off and we'll go again.
Okay.
I've got more elevator. I put it up to 75%. That's half throttle straight.
Yes.
But that's okay. That's half rates on the ailerons and 50% on the elevator.
Okay.
And that's all right. That's sort of normal stick movements. They're not too drastic. Yep, it's got a good reasonable roll rate. You've got to go full stick. You might be able to get away with taking the other two weights out the front.
Yeah.
I don't know how much of a difference it'll make. But you can just give it a little bit of stick and glide it. Do you think we'll be close on battery?
No, I think you're good for another minute or so.
Think so?
Yeah.
It's quite nice. It's all right.
It's not, doesn't draw a huge.
It'll fly reasonably fast. Sorry. Yeah, that's like losing height just under half throttle. I'll bring it in. I would leave it as it is, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Because you can just put the throttle there, let it glide. As long as you're not too far away from the runway, you just manage the elevator. But it does like to turn right, even with full left rudder in.
Yeah.
Yeah, tail wheel would be lovely.
Right,
Have
we'll
you
give
seen
that a
the
go.
one on mine? You can make one up quite easy with a bit of wire.
Well, there we are then, the completion of the maiden flights of the ZMR 835, and despite the naysayers in the comments when I originally built this, it seems to fly very well. Steve, local test pilot and expert, there's a few things to modify from the original design. It really needs a tail wheel rather than the hook. Taken the additional nose weight off. All that I have on there is the original two 10 grams, so 20 grams in total on the front, which puts the centre of gravity right about there. Oh, the landing gear is a bit flaky. That bounces around too much, so that needs stiffening up. Wire across to strengthen and hold those in line. Other than that, a nice little flyer. It didn't go home in a bin bag. very, very pleased.